Welcome to Virtual Teaching Tutor. In today's lesson, we'll explore the exciting world of number properties, focusing on the commutative property of addition. Have you ever wondered if the order in which you add numbers matters? Well, it doesn't. Join us as we discover how switching the order of numbers still gives us the same result. We'll use fun examples and engaging activities to help you understand and remember these important math concepts. Let's dive in and make math fun together. Welcome, everyone. Today we'll be exploring the commutative properties of addition. These properties teach us that the order of numbers doesn't affect the result when we add. For example, 3 plus 5 is the same as 5 plus 3. Understanding these properties will help you solve math problems more easily. Let's jump in and see how they work. The commutative property of addition states that the order in which you add numbers does not change the sum. To illustrate this with apples, 3 apples plus 5 apples If you have 3 apples and then receive 5 more apples, you can count them together, starting with the 3 apples. When you add the 5 apples, you can count 1, the first apple, 2, the second apple, 3, the third apple, 4, the first of the new apples, 5, the second new apple, 6, the third new apple, 7, the fourth new apple, and 8, the fifth new apple. This gives you a total of 8 apples. 5 apples plus 3 apples. Alternatively, if you start with 5 apples and then add 3 more, you can count them similarly. 1, the first apple, 2, the second apple, 3, the third apple, 4, the fourth apple, 5, the fifth apple, 6, the first of the new apples, 7, the second of the new apples, and 8, the third of the new apples. Again, this results in a total of 8 apples. In both cases, regardless of whether you start with 3 apples or 5 apples, the total number of apples you end up with is 8. This demonstrates that 3 apples plus 5 apples equals 8, and 5 apples plus 3 apples also equals 8, illustrating the commutative property of addition. A Chinese bead calculator enhances mathematical understanding. A Chinese bead calculator, often referred to as an abacus, is a valuable tool for understanding number properties and performing mathematical operations. The beads are arranged on rods, allowing users to visualize numbers and manipulate them physically. By moving the beads, users can explore various number properties such as place value. The arrangement helps learners understand how the value of a digit changes based on its position. Addition and subtraction. Users can easily perform these operations by grouping and regrouping beads, reinforcing the concept of carrying and borrowing. Commutative property. The physical manipulation of beads illustrates that changing the order of numbers does not affect the sum. Visualization of concepts. It provides a tactile way to visualize abstract mathematical concepts, making it easier to grasp ideas like grouping and partitioning. Overall, a Chinese B calculator enhances mathematical understanding through hands-on learning and visual representation. Number properties are fundamental principles that describe how numbers interact with one another during mathematical operations. They serve as the foundational rules that guide calculations and enable us to manipulate numbers effectively. Understanding these properties, such as the commutative properties, helps simplify complex mathematical expressions and solve equations. By recognizing these patterns, we can perform operations with confidence and accuracy, making number properties essential for both basic arithmetic and advanced mathematics. The commutative property says that for any two numbers, if you add them in any order, the result will be the same. So a plus b equals b plus a. For instance, 4 plus 6 equals 6 plus 4. This means that if you change the order of the numbers 4 and 6, the total is still the same, which is 10 in both cases. The key idea here? It doesn't matter which number you add first. Thank you for tuning in to Virtual Teaching Tutor. If you enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could share it with your friends. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button to show your appreciation. Subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content and make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted as soon as we release our next video. If you're interested in tutoring sessions, feel free to contact me at my email address. Thank you for watching, and we love hearing your thoughts in the comments.